Yeah, yeah. Oh man.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
What's up, dog?
Yeah, man. You ready?
Yeah, man, we ready to go. We about
Yeah,
to
we
get
can go
up
now.
out of here, man.
Oh man,
Parking
look at
lot.
Shorty in the blue, man.
Already, man.
Right.
She is, man.
Man, I want to holler at her. Oh man, here we go.
Aren't you Gennaro?
Yeah. What's up, baby? Yeah, what's going on?
Oh yeah, I remember. I love your record, three-piece puzzle.
Oh man, thanks. That's what's up.
Yeah, I'm saying though, that three-piece puzzle is fire.
Your brother is too.
Where I like Beat Journey. Shut up. Beat Journey's off the chain. Do your thing, boy.
Got the who that?
Yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to keep up with you. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to
No
follow
doubt.
you and
Okay.
see what you're doing for your next record. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to catch up with you. So let me give you my number so we can stay in touch. You know what I'm saying? I know you
alright.
balling like that 'cause you got all those little hot records. You down with, you know what I'm saying? You down with Shape of Brown Minds. I know you got, you know what I'm saying? I know you fire.
All
So
right.
why don't you holler at your girl?
All right. Let me
Man,
let's go,
All right.
dog.
Oh, wait.
Go, dog.
Why you tripping?
Sorry, baby. We
See,
gotta
you
go.
ain't even gotta be all like
See,
that.
I'm just saying, this that boy
I'm just
Quincy,
saying,
man.
I'm
We got
just trying
studio
to
sessions
support
to go
you.
to. We ain't got time for
Y'all
poppers,
acting all
man.
funny
We ain't got
style,
time for
okay?
poppers,
Alright.
man. All right, sorry, babe. And before I was interrupted, back to the girl.